Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and today I have the first Ipsy icon box. This is in partnership or merger with BoxyCharm. So what the icon box is you have 8 full-size items. So I haven't opened this yet. As you can see, I'm kind of low on space, so we'll pull the box out of the soft box and we'll just pull everything out one by one and I'll show you what I got. So grabbing at random, the first thing we have is, I have not had anything from Skin Inc. in ages. This is the Body Sculpt Fit Serum. This sounds actually amazing. Body Sculpt Fit Serum. You apply this all over your body. You want to concentrate on your arms, your belly, your thighs, your derriere. And let's see. And you're supposed to massage it into your body using the Tri-Light Body Sculpt Fit. So I know that Skin Inc. has a couple of skincare tools, so they obviously recommend their skincare tool to use with this, but this sounds really cool. All right, let's see what else we got. Next, we got, we got issues. We got, well, look at that, Glow Recipe. There it is again. If you subscribe to Ipsy, you got a sample size of one of their serums. But if you've got the icon box this month, you get the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. That sounds actually amazing. Let's go ahead and pop this open. Let's take a look and see what that looks like inside. Glow Recipe usually has very cute packaging. Love it. So we've got the hydrating mist. There we are. I was like, where is this? Okay, very cute packaging. Since I'm inside my soft box here, I don't want to spray anything, but very cute packaging. And as you can see, you're going to keep it upside down. Very cool. Looking forward to trying that out. Next, we've got something from Anastasia, Beverly Hills Stick Highlighter. This is in the shade Bubbly. Let's take a look at that. For all of those of you that like Anastasia products. Let's see. There it is. It looks very golden. Let me swatch it for those of you. It is very golden. And you got the little brush to blend it out. That's actually quite nifty. That's great packaging. I've been using the brow pomade for years, although I don't really buy a lot of Anastasia products much anymore. This is very cool, I have to admit. Very nice. All right, see what we got next. Was not expecting that. We got another Anastasia Beverly Hills product. So we got the highlighter, so might as well have the bronzer, right? So this is the cream bronzer. This is in the shade, caramel. Do you guys say caramel or caramel? Like I said, I kind of come from a family that has a tendency to say caramel. So if I slip up occasionally, forgive me. All right. I have to admit, I love the packaging, but this looks like super duper orange to me. I don't know, maybe I'll have to give it a try. On camera, it's reading very neutral, but in person, this looks like orange as hell. This looks really orange in person, but on camera, it is reading very neutral, very cool. So I guess I'll just have to try it and see how it goes. But yeah, that's crazy. The discrepancy in my viewfinder, neutral, in person, orange. So we'll have to try it and see, but that's the cream bronzer. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't swatch that for you, did I? Sorry. Let's go ahead and swatch that. There we go. Let's go ahead and swatch it. All right. And yeah, on me, that looks like pure orange. But like I said, in the viewfinder, as you can see, it looks cool. It looks neutral. That's so strange. That's such a weird color discrepancy. So it's made for camera, not for life. Weird. Okay, I can't get over that. That's really strange. Okay, we've got a couple more items. Ooh, look at this. Oh, that's exciting. We got some mascara from MAC. I haven't had a mascara from MAC in ages. This is the Magic Extension 5mm Fiber Mascara. Ooh. And I love the promises it's making because I'm a fan of false lashes, but this is like, hey, ditch your false lashes and just use our mascara instead. Gotta love those kind of promises. Fun packaging from MAC. Man, MAC used to be the queen of packaging. They used to have the most fire collections, just the most amazing limited edition collections back when they used to rule the world. All right, this looks promising. I love how long the brush is on that wand. Okay, looking forward to trying that. And right when you open that, I can smell, like from a foot away, I can smell this mascara. It has that makeup mascara smell. I like it, but I'm just noticing that is like a lot of fragrance. All right, having issues here, can't get it closed, so we'll just move on. We got 2 more items. Is this what I think it is? It is. I did not expect this. Okay, JLo Beauty. Okay, we got JLo Beauty. This is that JLo Glow Serum. Now, is this for your face or body? I'm guessing face, right? Let's see. Apply to skin. That's hard to read because of the packaging. Yes, you apply to skin before moisturizing. Okay. This will give us that JLo glow that she was so famous for back in the, God, was that the 90s? Or was that the 2000s? 2000s, right? Okay. Now, I'm not going to lie. I thought this was going to be like shimmery, but this is just like clear serum. So I guess it's just really moisturizing. Okay. If you call something that JLo Glow, I'm expecting it to be like an illuminator or a highlighter. I'm not expecting it to just be a straight up serum, but it does actually say serum now that I'm looking at it. Hey, like I said, it's hard to read with the packaging. The packaging is cool, but this is just a serum. This is not a highlighter. So I don't think you can call it JLo Glow. It should be called JLo Serum, right? Oh, anyways, one more item. We've got, okay, it is all about Anastasia this month. We got Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a satin lipstick. I have actually never tried a lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills before. I know for years they were all about the brows and they branched out to all kinds of makeup, so I shouldn't be surprised. Like, their eyeshadow palettes have been quite popular. Now they got bronzers and highlighters, as we can see. And now we got the lipstick. And I like this shade. I like this. I think this is a good warm shade. It's reading darker in my viewfinder than it is in person. What's the shade called? It's called Praline. That's actually the perfect name for this, Praline, because in person it does have that praline shade to it. It looks brown, but it reads really pink on my skin. And again, in the viewfinder, it is just reading as a way different shade than it is in person. So strange. I'll have to just figure out my lighting, I guess. Anyways, so very cool. All right. So pretty good value this month, not gonna lie, because we already know Anastasia Beverly Hills, well, those products are not cheap. Let's go ahead and just bring those out first so we can get the whole family together here. All right. And then we got the JLo Serum, although they chose to call it the JLo Glow, which I don't agree with. And we got another serum. We got a body serum from Skin Inc. Very cool, once again. And then we've got, oh, I just realized I missed an item. I don't know how I did that. I thought I was done. We still have one more item. Somehow I missed that. That was weird. Okay, I will fix that. Give me a moment, guys. We're not done here because I was going to say we got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Mist, but it turns out we also have the Glow Recipe. This is the Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. Okay, did not know that I had that. I don't know how I didn't see this. So let's take a look now. Oh, how cute is that packaging? All right, so we got an eye cream. Ooh, love the packaging. It's so adorable. Love the packaging. I'll definitely be doing some reviews on these beauties here on the Glow Recipes. Okay, Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. Oh, too cute. Okay. Wow, I'm excited. I don't know how I missed that. So we've got that. But then don't forget, we also got mascara, Magic Extensions. We got mascara from MAC. Awesome. So excited. So we'll just put that there. All right. That is it for the month of May for the Icon Box by Ipsy. Thank you so much for gifting me this month's box, and thank you so much for watching.